Hi, today me and my two assistants will be teaching you how to do the Lizzie method with 6 simple to complex problems. So this is the first problem with the Lizzie method of factoring.
No, let me end.
The first step of the Lizzie method is to multiply your A and C terms together. And when you multiply 5 and 8 together, it makes 40. And then you have to find common terms that equal 40 and that add up to B. So some of the terms for 40 are 40 and 1, 20 and 2, and 10 and 4. And 10 and 4 just happen to add up to B. And so you would set these numbers equal to x. And so it would be x plus 10 and x plus 4. But then you have to divide by your A term. So it would be that. And all of the terms that don't equal out, you have to put the number. You have to bring the bottom term to the front. So for this one, they equal out to 2. So you would just leave it at x plus 2. But for this one, 4 and 5 don't add up to a whole number. And so you have to bring 5 and put it in front of the x. So it would be 5x plus 4. And that's your final answer. Okay, this is our second problem. And again, you would multiply these two terms together, the A and the C term, and you would get 30. And then find common multiples. So for this one, some are 30 and 1, and 15 and 2. And 15 and 2 add up to 17 are B terms. So you would set them equal to x. And so it would be x plus 15 and x plus 2. And then you would set them, or you would divide them by 6, or A term. But for this one, they simplify, and so 2 6 simplifies to 1/3, and so it would be x plus 1/3, and this simplifies to, it doesn't simplify at all, so it would be 15 over 6. But, okay, for this one, since 1/3 isn't a whole number, you would take the 3 and you would put it in front of the x, so it would be 3x plus 1. And for this one, it doesn't add up either, so you would bring the 6 and you would put it in front, so it would be 6x plus 15. And that's our final answer.
Hi, I'm Mary Kate, and I'm going to be doing problems 3 and 4 for y'all. So, number 3's equation is 3x squared minus 2x minus 5. So when you multiply these two together, you get negative 15. And the factors of those are 15 and 1 and 5 and 3. And 5 and 3, they add up, negative 5 and 3, add up to negative 2x. So when you factor that out, you get x minus 5 and x plus 3. And you divide it by the A term, which is 3. So divide by 3, and you get 3x minus 15, and then x plus 1. And that's the answer for number action. The equation for number 4 is 2x squared plus 8x plus 8. And so for this one, when you multiply these together, you get 16. So you get 1 and 16, 8 and 2, and 4 and 4. And 4 and 4 add up to the B term. So you get x plus 4, and then x plus 4. And you divide it by the A term. So you divide them both by 2. And then your answer is x plus 2 and x plus 2. Good.
Hi, my name is Lauren, and I'll be showing you the 5th and 6th problems for today. Okay, so our first equation is 3x squared plus 11x plus 6. Looks like B, sorry. So first we're going to multiply our A term and our C term together, which is 3 and 6, which equal 18. And the multiples we will be using for that is 2 and 9, because they equal 11. And you just want to write it out. And then you're going to want to divide by the A term, which is 3. So 9 divided by 3 and 2 divided by 3. So, since 9 divided by 3 is 3, you're going to write x plus 3. And because 3 does not go into 2 evenly, you're going to move the 3 over to here. So, for that, it's going to be 3x plus 2. And that is your final answer. Hi, or I don't know why I said hi. Okay, so this is our 6th problem, 5x squared plus 17x plus 6. So you're just going to want to multiply your A term and your C term, which is 5 and 6 for us today, and that equals 30. Now you're going to want to find multiples of 30 that add up to B. So we're going to use 15 and 2. You're just going to write it out like x plus 2 and x plus 15. And then you're going to want to divide it out by the A term, which is 5. And because 5 cannot go into 2 evenly, you just move it over to here. So it will be 5x plus 2. And 5 goes into 15 evenly, and it's 3. So we're going to write down x plus 3. And ladies and gentlemen, that is our final answer to our final question.